They say, if you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. Well, for today's video, I'd like to say we can make our home, if not the whole world, a beautiful garden if we wish to. Welcome all to the second part of the video series based on decoration with artificial flowers.
Fair enough, I guess I didn't wanna see. I wanted an adventure. I wanted something new.
Baskets are often only considered when we need to dump things or when organizing something. Well, if you've got a beautiful basket at home, then bring it out right away and use it in place of a standard vase that we normally pick to decorate flowers in the house.
Use you, I will use you, I will use you until I am strong enough, until I can break these cups.
Chairs are on the table, the floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I'd slept.
This bag was lying over unused only because it was too tiny to fit anything. One day I had a eureka moment when I thought of using it to decorate flowers instead. The overall effect that it gives is a very raw yet beautiful one. Dig deep in your things, you might just find something on the same line.
I'm out of the cold. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold.
Love for handbags is not new to anyone. We all happen to have these big bulky bags with us. Who could have thought that we could actually use them to decorate flowers on the wall?
I don't know what is good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing.
If the flowers are hanging out of the bag instead of being upright, the end result is much more refined. So do give it a try and share your pictures with me.
Have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. I still haven't heard anything from you.
This one is my all-time favorite, using an old kettle this time. Kettles are sort of my guilty pleasure and I happen to buy them a lot. But who needs so many kettles, right? Using it this way makes me feel less guilty. No doubt it has a super European vibe to it, which I am loving to bits.
But nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms.
Last but not the least, I bring to you some artificial green leaves which I have decorated in a simple glass vase. Sometimes simplicity works more than anything else. This is our home office table, and to freshen up this space a bit, I decided to add these greens in one corner. Our workspace shouldn't be that boring after all.
I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm.